Evergreen. Candid, new trends in Icse physics class.
Physical quantities and measurement. Objectives. Measurement of volume, that is 3D concept. Concept of unit volume. Measurement of area. Estimate the area of irregular shape using graph paper. Measurement of density of regular solids. Basic concept. Formula. Simple numerical, that is, SI units not required. Calculation of speed. Basic concept. Formula. Simple numerical, that is, SI units not required. Introduction. Measurement is one of the best tools which a scientist has. Suppose, if we are to report the result of a measurement to someone who wishes to reproduce these measurements, a standard must be defined. It would be meaningless if a visitor from outer space were to talk to us about a length of 8 chinks if we do not know the meaning of chink. Likewise, very accurate and precise measurements are required for the advancement.
Measurement of volume. The volume of an object is the amount. Measurement of area.
Surface area is defined as a measure of the surface of an object. Small areas are expressed in square centimeter and square millimeter. Large.
Motion. Objectives. Motion as energy. Objectives. Capacity to do work. Units of energy. Joule and